Our house is full of high-end tech, everything from the latest gaming consoles to a variety of arcade games. But something we are still trying to perfect is the projector we use, especially in our gaming basement. We have tried a lot of amazing projectors here, but they always run into the same issue of just how bright our basement is when we have all of our RGB lights turned on. Something that we love to do to create a cozy atmosphere, as well as make the setup look as good as possible in content. This sadly means that it gets harder to see the projector screen though, since it needs to be as dark as possible. While we do have a home theater that is perfectly set up to be pitch black for ultimate viewing experience when we watch movies, we would love to find a projector that is bright enough for us to be able to enjoy watching sport games or music videos in the basement setup while we have friends and family over. Thankfully, I think we have just solved that problem. And the solution was the Horizon 20 Max projector from XGIMI. Thank you to XGIMI for sending this projector for us to review, as well as sponsoring today's video. Check the description for more info. The new Horizon line of projectors come in 3 variations: the 20, the 20 Pro, and the one we got, the 20 Max. They all share a lot of the specs we will talk about, but make sure to check their website for exact comparisons before choosing which one fits you the best. For the purpose of this video, we will be talking about the Horizon 20 Max, since that's the one we have been trying out for ourselves in our setup. Okay, so this projector has a lot of great features, which we will go over in this video, but let's start with the most important one for us, the brightness. It has an insane brightness of 5,700 ISO lumens, which is brighter than any projector we have ever tried before, and almost double of our old one. For reference, a projector under 1,000 ANSI lumens look good in dark rooms only, and one over 3,000 starts to look good in brighter rooms. The fact that this one is nearly 6,000 ANSI lumens is mind-blowing. It really just looks like a TV screen, even in broad daylight with all of our RGB turned on, which is very impressive and exactly what we were looking for. The projector uses X Plus Master RGB triple laser as its light source, which is a pure RGB triple laser with 40X laser chips, 4K, HDR plus 10 dynamic tone mapping, filmmaker mode, IMAX enhanced picture, and Dolby Vision. The viewing contrast ratio is 10,000 to 1, and the dynamic contrast is 1,000,000 to 1, which is great for projectors. Another hurdle we usually have to overcome with projectors is the setup process. Many of them have very limited adjustment settings, which make it really difficult to get the picture to lay perfect on the projector screen or your wall. The Horizon 20 Max uses lens shift in order to fix this issue, which help avoid loss in image quality and brightness, as well as making it a lot simpler for the user to get a perfect image. We absolutely love how simple this process was and how crisp the final result looks. If you've seen any of our other content on social media, then you probably know by now how much we love gaming. And thankfully, this projector does great with gaming thanks to its enhanced game mode. It supports next-gen gaming with its 1 millisecond input, VRR, and 240Hz support. For reference, 1 millisecond is what gaming monitors and game modes on TV support, and normal TVs are around 15 to 40 millisecond without game mode enabled. It's also great to see that it supports VRR, or variable refresh rate, since this is important if you, for example, have a PS5 or want to future-proof your projector. The projector has 2 HDMI ports, 1 USB 3.0 port, 1 USB 2.0 port, 1 audio port, and 1 optical port. All you need, really. It also comes fully integrated with Google, so you can stream Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, and more straight from the projector itself. We prefer using separate sound systems, but there is also the option to use the built-in speakers if needed, which is a nice option to have, and it's not half bad. The projector uses premium Harman Kardon speakers with 24-volt high power output, 360-degree surround sound, 55Hz deep bass, and 630cc acoustic chamber volume. We almost forgot to mention that the projector supports between 80 inches and all the way up to 300 inches screen size, so whatever your space requires, it can do it. For reference, we are using it in its 100-inch mode. Just remember, the bigger the screen size, the more sensitive it is to how bright the room is, so you'll want a pretty dark room if you want to use the full 300-inch screen size. Overall, we are really impressed with the Horizon 20 Max, both for its incredible brightness levels and also its dedicated game modes. We believe it's going to be a great upgrade in our gaming basement. Thank you again to XGIMI for sponsoring today's video. Check the description for more info about the different projector models and where to buy it. And thank you for watching all the way to the end of the video. Please leave a comment with your thoughts and like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Until next time, bye.